Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. You have to excuse me, I'm coming down with a little bit of a sore throat, so if I start to sound congested, just bear with me here in the video. Anyway, we have two slight risk areas today. One slight risk today encompasses far southeastern New Mexico and west central and central Texas. And the other slight today encompasses far northeastern Florida, southeastern Georgia, and the southern half of South Carolina. Cities in today's slight include Jacksonville, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Savannah, Georgia, Waco, Texas, and Abilene, Texas. And we have a broad marginal today that encompasses south central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, much of Texas, much of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, south central Illinois, far southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, most of Arkansas, far northwestern and southern Louisiana, northern and southern Mississippi, far northwestern and southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, the northern half of Florida, parts of Georgia, much of parts of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, and far southern Virginia. Cities in today's marginal include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, and Memphis, Tennessee. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a small area where we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today, encompassing parts of west central Texas. Cities in today's 5% tornado risk area today include Lubbock, Texas, Levelland, Texas, Sweetwater, Texas, Snyder, Texas, and Brownfield, Texas. And we have four areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. One covering southeastern New Mexico and parts of Texas. Another 2% today encompasses southern Missouri, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, extreme northwestern Alabama, northern Mississippi, and the northeastern half of Arkansas. The third 2% today encompasses southeastern Louisiana, far southeastern Mississippi, far southwestern Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle. And the fourth 2% tornado risk today encompasses southeastern Georgia and southeastern South Carolina. Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas today include Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Mobile, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Metairie, however you pronounce it, Louisiana. Going to the wind threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering parts of central and west central Texas. A second 15% area today covers far northeastern Florida, southeastern Georgia, and the southern half of South Carolina. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Lubbock, Texas, Savannah, Georgia, Waco, Texas, and Abilene, Texas. And we have a broad 5% wind risk area today encompassing south central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, much of Texas, the southeastern half of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, most of Arkansas, northwestern and southern Louisiana, northern and southern Mississippi, far northwestern Alabama, the southern half of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, the northern half of Florida, parts of Georgia, parts of South Carolina, most of North Carolina, and far southern Virginia. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, and Memphis, Tennessee. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing far southeastern New Mexico and west central and central Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Lubbock, Texas, Waco, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and Midland, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses, really? Oh, you had to update. The black dashed area encompasses most of the black dashed area encompasses most of the 15% hail risk area. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And finally, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing south central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, much of Texas, much of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, most of Arkansas, western Tennessee, northwestern and southern Louisiana, northern and southern Mississippi, extreme northwestern Alabama, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, the northern half of Florida, most of Georgia, much of South Carolina, and far southeastern North Carolina. Cities in the 5% Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, and Austin, Texas. So in summary, large to very large hail, severe winds, and a couple of tornadoes will be a concern with thunderstorms this afternoon and evening from the Texas New Mexico border eastward into Central Texas. Thunderstorms producing scattered damaging winds are possible later today across parts of the southeast, and the isolated severe threat may develop this afternoon across the Ozarks and Mid-South vicinity. So, that's the Day 1 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms. And my Day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon. Take care.